Hey friends, today we're going to make a tissue paper flower. You will need about 6 sheets of tissue paper, 16 or 18 gauge wire, a pair of scissors, floral wrapping tape, and green construction paper if you'd like leaves. Begin by tightly wrapping the wire with floral tape by twisting it around the wire. Make sure you twist it nice and tight at the top. This will create a secure starting point and will make wrapping the wire a lot easier as you continue. To add more floral tape, overlap the new strip with the already applied tape, pressing it on in the same manner. Now neatly stack each sheet of tissue paper. Then fold the tissue paper accordion style. Each fold should be about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Then trim the edges of your tissue paper by either rounding them or cutting each end to a V-shaped point. Next, you'll fold the centered wire over the tissue paper, leaving enough of a tail to twist the wire together. Once the tissue paper is secured, you can fan open one side of the tissue paper and very carefully separate each piece. As you separate the pieces, make the openings as wide as you can without tearing the paper. Then fan open the other side and repeat the same process. If you'd like to add leaves, you can attach them by wrapping the stem with a new piece of floral tape and inserting the base of the leaf under the tape. Continue wrapping tightly, adding as many more leaves as you would like. All finished. Thanks for making a flower with me today. Comment below with what you did with it. Maybe you gave it to your mom or your best friend. Maybe you made a whole bouquet and put it on the shelf in your room. I'd love to hear about it. Click like if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.